Be honest, have you ever taken a sip of tap water and thought, wow, this tastes like it traveled through a pipe from 1998? Yeah, same. If you're searching for a simple way to fix that, I tested the water drop under sink water filter, and here's the real talk. I've been using this type of system for daily drinking and cooking, and what stood out immediately was the taste. Chlorine smell, gone. That weird aftertaste, also gone. The water actually tastes clean, not filtered-ish. This system focuses on removing harmful stuff like lead, chlorine, and chemical impurities while keeping healthy minerals. And that's important. A lot of people panic when TDS doesn't drop, but that's normal. Minerals are supposed to stay. Installation surprisingly easy. If you can twist a bottle cap, you can install this. Push to connect fittings make it quick, and filter changes take seconds, not a whole afternoon. Another big win is longevity. The filter lasts a long time, so you're not constantly replacing cartridges. Now, quick honesty check, it's slightly bigger than basic filter, so make sure you've got space under your sink. Overall, if you want clean tasting water without buying bottled water every week, this one actually delivers. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.